Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in a city called Mecca a long time ago. He was a very honest and trustworthy person. When he was 40 years old, an angel named Gabriel came to him and told him that he was chosen by God to be a prophet. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, message was about believing in one God and not worshipping idols. He taught people to be kind, fair, and help those in need. Some people didn't like his message and made life difficult for him and his followers. To escape the persecution, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers went to a city called Medina. In Medina, they lived peacefully and built a strong community. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, made agreement with different groups to live together peacefully. After some time, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers returned to Mecca. Instead of seeking revenge, he forgave those who had hurt him and made peace with them. He removed the idols from the Kaaba and dedicated it to the worship of one God. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught people to be kind, just to take care of one another. He passed away in Medina, but his teaching continues to inspire and guide people today. Muslims around the world follow his example.